Everyone, myself Krishna Jha. So today I am discuss about the research paper review on the topic of mechanism of cement hydration. So let's discuss about the introduction part. The mechanism of cement hydration intersect between practically and academic standpoint. So academic standpoint, when water is added to cement, each of the compound undergoes hydration and final concrete product and the tricalcium silicate are the main constituent of Portland cement hydrates to produce crystalline calcium hydroxide and calcium silicate hydrates and nanocrystalline gel. And also tricalcium silicate is responsible for the most of the yearly strength of first 7 days and seen at the reaction of the hydration of tricalcium silicate. So tricalcium silicate plus water react with calcium silicate hydrate plus calcium hydroxide plus heat. And next slide is calcium silicate, which react more slowly, contribute only to the strength at the act with water in a similar manner compared to tricalcium silicate, but much more slowly. So the hydration of dicalcium silicate. The major component of Portland cement, tricalcium aluminate and tetracalcium aluminoferrite also react with water. So next slide is illustration of porous in calcium silicate in different stages of hydration. So first figure I represent the hydration has not occurred and the porous empty space between grains are filled with water. And figure B are represented the beginning of hydration or newly making of hydration. And figure C are represented the hydration continuous. Empty space still exists. They are filled with water and calcium hydroxide. And figure D are represented the nearly hardened cement paste that the majority space is filled with calcium silicate hydrate. And next slide are heat is evolved with cement hydration. This line is function of time and this is a evaluation line. So in this first stage I represent the pre-induction period of rapid evaluation of heat which says within about 15 minutes, and stage 2 are represented the induction period which lasts for the 2 to 4 hours and it is also known as a dormancy period. And figure 3 are represented the installation period starting at the end of dormant period. By this time 4 to 8 hours set has begun past and hardening has begun. And fourth stage is declaration period, during which the declaration period maximum value to a very low steady state rate. And next slide is objective. So in this topic main objective is focused to describe the fundamental stages that have been recently the comprehension of different hydration process, this including the hydration stage of the main phases, aluminum silicates, sulfates and the porous in calcium silicate in different stages of hydration, and also heat is evolved with cement hydration as well the importance of their balance and interaction during the cement hydration. And the next slide is conclusion. So during the hydration process our calcium silicate, dicalcium silicate react with water and form calcium silicate, calcium aluminate and hydrate, calcium ferrite hydrate and calcium hydroxide are formed. Also to understand the behavior of concrete and also for further investigation and conclusion the porous of calcium silicate in different stages of hydration and also the Portland cement result of the different composition. So next slide is references and last slide is thank you everyone.